Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the child account age and that you can sign in on the child's device. This matters because removal options differ by age. Once signed in, open Settings and go directly to Google Account Controls or the Family Link app. Make sure the device has a stable connection and the app is updated. If you cannot sign in, use Account Recovery with the child's recovery email or phone before proceeding, because you'll need access to make any family changes. You now move into the core actions. On the child's device, open Family Link or visit Family. Google.com while signed into the child account, then locate Family Group or Parent Permissions. Once there, choose the option to leave the family or request removal. Google will show the exact confirmation steps and may require verification with recovery email or device PIN. If the parent phone is unavailable, follow the verification alternatives shown, such as recovery email, backup phone, or security questions to prove account ownership. You finish by completing confirmations and signing out, then sign back in to verify the account is no longer managed by Family Link. If the process is blocked because the family manager's device is required, use the account recovery flow or request a review from Google support while showing proof of identity. If nothing works, try the recovery email verification method and wait 24 to 72 hours for automated changes to propagate. If still stuck,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.